The Rowenta X-Force Flex cordless vacuum offers strong suction power that rivals many corded models, making everyday cleaning feel quick and efficient on both carpets and hard floors. Its flexible wand design lets you reach far under sofas and low furniture without kneeling or bending, which is a real relief during longer cleaning sessions. Automatic floor detection adjusts the suction as you move from rugs to bare floors, so you get solid results without constantly changing settings yourself. The removable battery delivers up to roughly 3/4 of an hour of runtime in its most efficient mode, which is enough to cover most apartments or a good portion of a house in one go. Pet owners will appreciate the dedicated turbo brush and large dust container because together they handle shed hair and dander without needing to be emptied every few minutes. Bright front lights on the main cleaning head reveal dust in darker corners and under beds, helping you see exactly where you have already cleaned.